Hi everyone, this is Kevin here, coming at you with my unboxing and first impressions video of the Oukitel C13 Pro. Now this is my first time ever owning an Oukitel product, and I'm really excited to check this out. So I bought this from banggood.com for $74.99. Now you can also buy this at the moment from GearBest and AliExpress, which are also both great retailers. And it's possible this will be available on Amazon in the future. At the moment, it's not on Amazon, but I'll be leaving links in the video description to all the various places where you can buy this. Now, this was sent to me directly from China, and they did include this wall adapter in the box so that I can plug it in. I am located in the United States. But here is the box itself. It says Oukitel, of course, on the front here. The box is orange. On the back side here, we have some of the specifications, but I'll be going over these throughout the video. Let's pull off the lid here and see what's inside. So the first thing here in the box is the phone itself. We'll put that off to the side for now. We'll lift the lid here and see what else is in here. So the first thing in the box here is the wall adapter. Now this does have European prongs on the end here, but again, we do have this included North American adapter. So if you want to charge your device into the wall, then all you have to do is plug in the wall adapter into this North American adapter and you're good to go. We have a micro USB cable for charging and data transfer. We have a SIM card removal tool. We have a warranty certificate, and we have the quick start guide for the C13 Pro. Let's now take the plastic off of the phone itself. Here is the phone. The phone does come out of the box already in a case. We're going to take this case off. So here is the case. Now this isn't the most protective case I've ever seen, but it's still cool they included this because you'll definitely want to use it to protect your device. We'll peel the plastic off of the display here. Now we do have another screen protector on here. This is just a plastic screen protector, but it is cool to see that that is included. I will be leaving that on the phone because I think it's a great thing to have, and I certainly do not want to scratch the display at all. So we'll turn this on. Here we go, Oukitel, powered by Android. Now on the back side, it also says Oukitel at the bottom. So we do have metal on the sides here and a reflective kind of glass type of material on the back. Not sure if this is actual glass. I'm gonna have to double check on that and mention it in the review, but it certainly feels like at least some sort of like polished glossiness. And it's very similar to the material on the back of my iPhone XS Max. Okay, so I went through the setup and everything. I have not activated the Wi-Fi yet, but here is the device itself. Now, this display is at full brightness and it is decently bright. Maybe not the brightest I've ever seen, but it does look like a very sharp display. So it does look really good, and I don't think you'd have to worry at all if you're using this device for web browsing or watching videos, as it's nice and clear with great colors. So I did already set up the fingerprint sensor, and it's really simple to use. All you have to do is just lay your finger on the back here, and it unlocks the display. You do not even have to tap on the power button to initiate anything. Now I'm going to be mainly testing out this device with Cricket Wireless, and this device is GSM unlocked, which means that you'll be able to use it with any GSM carrier, so it doesn't matter where you are in the world, as long as you use a GSM carrier, all you have to do is simply put the SIM card in and you're good to go. The display is 6.18 inches, so it's a very large display, which is a good thing to see. We do have a notch here on the top, and we have a 5 megapixel front-facing camera. Internally, the device has 16 gigabytes of storage with the ability to expand that with a micro SD card. And then again on the back, we have the fingerprint sensor, dual cameras. I'm really excited to get out and take some photos to show you in the full review. The device features the MediaTek MT6739 processor, which we've seen in a lot of other lower end devices that have come out recently, such as the Blue Vivo Go and the Blue R2 Plus 2019. I'm certainly going to be comparing this phone to those two devices as well. And the device features 2 gigabytes of RAM, which isn't the most impressive out there, but considering that this is a $75 smartphone, 2 gigabytes of RAM is completely acceptable and expected. Now video recording does max out here at 1080p at 30 frames per second, which isn't bad at all. And the device features 3,000 milliamp hours of battery capacity, which is certainly impressive. And the software running on here is Android 9 Pie, so it's great to see that the latest version of Android comes out of the box with the Oukitel C13 Pro. So I'm really excited to compare the Oukitel C13 Pro to all the other budget smartphones that I have right now, and I'm excited to do some long-term coverage of this device, and stay tuned for the full review of the Oukitel C13 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to check out the links in the video description for the latest pricing of this phone. At the moment, it is offered for $74.99, but it's possible that it might get a price cut in the future. $74.99 is certainly a great introductory price, but you never know, as there might be some specials out there. I also want to let you know that if you're in the United States and you're worried about importing this from China, the shipping was actually quite quick for this. It took about a week and a half for it to show up to my doorstep. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.